value for money. Love the accommodation. But if you are thinking of cooking at the accommodation, you'll need to bring your own pots and pans and utensils. Plates, bowls, and mugs are limited too. Otherwise, very comfortable and convenient. Great. Place is nice and cozy. My family and I were very pleased to stay there. It's very clean, well kept, has all the necessary amenities for a young family. Host provided clear instructions how to obtain access card, where to park, and how to get in the unit. Very organized process. We greatly enjoyed our stay there, and if we visit Legoland again definitely will consider the same place. Nice place to stay with good hosted, ideal place to stay for Legoland visit. The place is clean and tidy. Exceptional value for money. Awesome. I used to stay at Kinesian, but when I stayed here with my family, we love it the moment we enter. Very good, clean and spacious room, comfortable. Exceptional, clean and tidy. Sufficient for 5 to 6 adult. Lovely place, complete with all the necessities. Nice place to stay. The place is cozy and nice, clean. The instruction given by owner is clear. Great stay. It's a great place, love the place. We'll come back soon. Nice, the best ever places. Nice place and nice host. It's an unforgettable, pleasant staycation. We love this place so much! They gave us more than we expected. For a family group traveler like us, we love to have a good sleep, and the owner are very understanding because they provide more futons, comforter and pillow. The entire house are clean, and the cooking stuff also complete. In a nutshell, definitely will come again soon. Thanks Dr. Patrick and Susanna. Nice and comfortable place. The apartment is clean and fully furnished. The room looks like hotel standard. They even provide with extra mattress. Exceptional, nice place, near to Legoland but a bit far from restaurants. Fantastic, excellent place for holiday. Thank you Susanna and Dr. Patrick. Perfect weekend getaway for families. The place is exactly as shown in the pictures. Everything in the apartment works perfectly fine. Spacious, clean, new and on a high floor. You can see the nearby Legoland from the unit itself. There are 3 pools and a playground on the 5th floor of the apartment. My 4-year-old son enjoyed it very much. Extra air mattress and pillows are also provided for those with big family. Secured car park is provided as only those with access card can enter. Check-in and check-out is a breeze with lockbox. I preferred his way as it is hassle-free. There's a supermarket below the apartment which comes in handy too. Susanna is very helpful by providing all the details almost instantly once you have confirmed your booking. She also keep updating on places to eat nearby. Thank you so much for all those, and we will definitely come again soon. One of the most friendliest owner I have come across. Best apartment. I'm very satisfied with apartment unit and the facilities surrounding. The location suitable for family with kids. This apartment are fully furnished. So traveler with kids no worries about washing wear because this apartment have a washing machine. Thanks for the hospitality given by Dr. Patrick. He was so kind and helpfully. Hope I will book and stay again at his apartment. Nice place. The place is clean and very good for big families. Going to Legoland takes about 6 to 10 minutes walk. There's a convenience store downstairs, and beside the building is a hotel which has a restaurant for food options. The swimming pool in the building is really nice too. Thanks Susanna, we had a really good time staying at your place. Meriden, nice and clean place. Nice place for family. Always love Meriden Medini. Feels like home. Wonderful place for family meetup. With 2 access card plus 2 parking lot. We'll come back for next visit.